Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sascha.Chatman, your local realtor here in DFW, and you are on my new construction series where I walk you through really awesome, ready to go new construction models and homes ready right now. So, where we are right now, we are in North Fort Worth, okay, Saginaw School District. This is RiverSide Home Builders, and I'm going to show you their San Gabriel model. It's a really nice home, 3-bedroom, but it is nice. It is laid. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's go ahead and get it and walk you guys through this beautiful home. Let's go. So when you first come into the home, immediately to your left is a really nice office. Okay, so that is really nice. Now keep in mind, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but it's made to where, you know, you and your loved one can just sit here and have a great time in this home for a very long period of time. And I absolutely love the fact that this is what I call a super open concept, right? It's open all the way to the family room, throughout into the kitchen. Now check out this kitchen. Okay, gas stove is really nice. Look at this island, oversized island. I love these oversized islands. Let me just show a little bit more of that. I love that, okay? You have a sitting area right there under the window. Nice little bay window, right? And look how big. Now this is a really large table, and you're able to get that much in as an eating and dining right there. So it's perfect for entertaining. All right, let's keep going. Now, let me show you this. Hold on, I almost missed it. But when you come into the garage, you have a nice mudroom right there. Okay, now that's super awesome. All right, let's keep going. As we take this right here, we're separated by the bedroom. So you have bedroom number 1, really, really nice. It's a nice size, guys. Nice bedroom. All right. Bedroom number 2 is really nice. They did a great job in decoration, didn't they? All right. Now, right here is where your washroom is at. Okay. And then those 2 bedrooms are right here. Here's the bath. So here's the bath that they're sharing. All right. Now, let's just kind of come in a little bit more in the family room. It is a nice size family room, as you can see. Centerpiece with the fireplace right there, and then, I mean, you can make the TV right there just like they did. That's really nice. But as you come in, I love the fact that the master is off and away a little bit from the beginning of the house. So when you come in, here is your master. It's a nice size master. I mean, it's a really nice size master. Look at that. All that natural lighting coming into the home. Now that's what I like. I like natural lighting. Now as we go in here, here's your master bath, right? That's really nice. That's nice. This is a nice home, okay? And it has a pretty decent sized backyard. The lots are pretty decent over this way. So, all right, guys, so that was the San Gabriel model right now. We are in the model home, but they do have this home available right now. They have it on the market right now for move-in for $273,000. Now, you know, give me a call. We'll work that out. We can make a better deal than that. I always say that because we can. All right, if you are not working with a realtor, you need to be working with a realtor. You need representation if you're going to go to a new construction home. It's only fair. They're salesmen, they're nice, they're friendly, but they're working for someone else. You need someone working for you. And if you don't have anyone, I'll take care of you and I'll help you out. I am Sascha.Chatman. Hit me up at 817-668-0311. It's almost 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and you can do some customization. It is nice. All right, you guys have a blessed day and take care. Bye-bye. I love this open space. Love it.